Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about the love potion that I made. I have 5 of these to give away, so for the next 5 people that order something in our rainbow shop, you will also get shipped a love potion. And what you'll get is a little bottle like this, and it actually has a dropper inside of it, and you can just eat it like so, and it's delightful. And it's good for your physical heart, your emotional heart, and it's immune boosting. So it has all kinds of and those are just a few things that it does. So it's really good for you. And it's safe for kiddos. So if you want to feed it to your kiddos, you can. Also, so it has really simple ingredients. I just want to quickly go through those ingredients and explain why I used them. The first of which is, so it doesn't have a preservative in it. So I've been refrigerating it. You can preserve it with something like alcohol, like brandy or something like that, but I didn't. I just decided to put it in the refrigerator because I knew I would be going through it really quickly. So if you get one from me, you probably want to put it in your refrigerator. So the first thing is elderberry syrup, which I know that you've heard me talk about a lot. It's a great immune booster, and it helps to just ward off viral invaders. It's safe for kiddos, so it's really an awesome thing to take before you're sick, so preventatively, or after you're sick. It's also great to take. It's lovely in syrup form because it can be really soothing. So if you have a cough or a fever, there's all kinds of really awesome reasons to take it. Combined with honey, it's lovely, and it's full of super powerful antioxidants. So I actually made my own syrup. I combined elderberries, and then the second thing I put in there were hawthorn berries, and those are great for strengthening your heart muscle. So, which brings into play the physical heart. So it really can aid in circulation. Also, hawthorn can, and it grows right here in town in Missoula, Montana, which is pretty cool. And it can be a heart tonic also. So it actually benefits nearly every part of heart health. It's great for blood pressure and regulating blood flow. And then it's also great for your emotional heart. So it's good if you're experiencing grief or heartbreak of any kind. It kind of covers everything. So it's also a really awesome addition, I think, to the potion. The third thing that I put in the syrup were rose hips, and those also grow right in my backyard. So they're really high in vitamin C, which is great for your immune system as well. So the heart part that comes into play is that rose hips just are calming for your nerves, and they just help to gladden a sad heart. So they're really awesome together, all 3 of those berries. And then the fourth thing that I put in the syrup, I didn't put very much in because I didn't have a cinnamon stick, but I used cinnamon. And so what I used was this cinnamon vitality oil, which I feel like probably mostly evaporates when you put it in a boiling pot. So I mixed all of these things with water. I'm going to show you what they all look like. These are hawthorn berries, and the elderberries are quite a bit smaller than the hawthorn berries and darker, but also full of antioxidants. So there's the elderberries, and these are some shredded up rose hips. So rose hips actually have kind of a skin on them that can irritate your throat. I mean, they don't irritate mine. I just eat them straight off the plant. But if you are sensitive to that, then it might be beneficial to use rose hips that are skinned. It's just like tiny little hairs that are on the little rose hip itself, so they might irritate some of you. But I used some without the hairs, so it's all great. And I made a syrup. So in that process, I boiled water with all these 4 I guess, plants in it, plant parts in it. And then I turned it down to a simmer. So I just simmered it for like 20 to 30 minutes, probably 30. And then what I did after that is I pushed it all through my herb press. And so all that was left was this lovely syrup. And so then what I did was tried to do equal parts. It probably wasn't exact, but I combined as much syrup as I had with honey, with local honey. And so it sweetened it up. Honey is, as you know, I'm sure, is great for millions of things also. But it just helped to sweeten everything up. So it's simple, it's really good for you. It's good for emotional trauma and physical responses that might bring to your heart. So yeah, if you're feeling sad or just kind of blue this time of year, it's great to just take a shot of your love potion. So if you want more instructions on measuring things, leave me comments and I'll leave you the recipe. Otherwise, the next 5 people to place orders will get one for free. Thanks.